Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over our TextMeMan service. So let's begin. TextMeMan is an affordable, easy-to-use text messaging service. This online service will help any business build a text club database by connecting directly with customers with SMS or MMS alerts directly to their mobile phones. There's two different types of messages you can send. An SMS message, which allows for 160 characters of letters, numbers, or symbols, or an MMS message, which is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content such as pictures. Next, let's go over how TextMeMan works. Customers can sign up under the Register button in the top left-hand corner here. Once you fill out the registration form, you'll validate your account with a phone number. Once you get an account, it'll look like this. You'll be asked to enter your credit card information under this billing tab here, and then you can pick a keyword. How TextMeMan works is you choose one top-level keyword. As you can see, this specific client has multiple keywords. Once you've chosen a keyword, you can choose as many sub-keywords as you would like. Sub-keywords is a great way to make money back. Our customers oftentimes use sub-keywords to generate revenue from their own clients. For example, you can connect your database with small businesses you may be partnered with. TextMeMan uses a short code 78,000, and the unique identifier is the keyword that you've chosen. So for this specific client, you would text Wolf to 78,000 to join their text club. If you wanted to text one of their specific sub-keywords, it would text Wolf Alexa to 78,000. To send a message to one of these keywords, click the Send button in the top left-hand corner here. So first choose a keyword, then schedule the date and time where you want this message to be sent out, enter a message and a possible image, and then schedule it. And then all of your scheduled and sent messages will be listed below. Going back to keywords here, and click the Response button. These are the keyword response settings. There's two different response types. There's normal responses, where here you can see an example here, and then click Update, or there's conditional response types. These are great for any contest that you may be putting on. So you can choose the winning texting number, the response type, and then the response. Then you can have the winning response and then the losing response here. You can also see your whole member database by clicking this Members button here. Here you can see all your members, and you can contact them directly and send them an individual message. You can see what messages you sent back and forth in the past, and delete and block members. You also have the option of downloading the whole member database here. Now let's go over pricing. TextMeMan costs $50 a month, which includes 1,000 standard text messages, which resets on the first of each month, 25 picture messages, 1 free sign-up keyword, and unlimited sub-keywords. Additional fees include 2 cents per SMS message, 3 cents per MMS message, $20 a month per additional keyword based on availability, and you can buy message credits only when you want to, and credits roll over each month. As you can see in the top right-hand corner here, you can see how many credits you have remaining, your purchase balance rollover, and then you can manage your account settings, your billing settings, and your users in the top right-hand corner here as well. And that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@textmeman.com or call us at 217-493-7331.